Forex Trade the News. What are the odds? Here's one of the videos used in the Forex ebook series, Forex Trade the News. What are the odds? Published in the Kindle Books department on Amazon. This ebook is the 8th in the series and documents 3 setups and trades conducted over the last 2 years, along with charts and links to the YouTube videos. There are 3 videos illustrating the setup, progress, and results of the monthly release of the U.S. Existing Home Sales Report. Today's video represents the news report released on Monday, October 25th, 2010 at 10 a.m. Eastern Time, U.S. This video is a presentation by the blog fundamentalforexblogging.com. Down here is my time. Next is my plan in case there is a surprise to the market. The plan tells me which action to take if the actual report is different from the forecast. Here are my trigger points. Here's my prelim setup for a trade, starting with my market orders, a sell order, and behind it a buy order. Here are the units I am trading. Here is my stop loss. The stop loss is important in cases of a spiked reversal. Early on, my broker spread shown here is small, but may increase just before the news release, which will be shown later in this video. I need to get the news report as soon as possible, so I use the Forex Factory's calendar. They have an actual pending button, which will give me the news report within a minute or two. By refreshing the calendar page, normally about 4 minutes before the report release, the green buttons will appear. Broker spread is increased. It is now time to get the news release. I use the Forex Factory calendar with the news release buttons, those green buttons in the calendar. At times it takes a few clicks of the actual report buttons to get the report. This time it took only 18 seconds and 2 clicks to get the actual report. In this case, the US dollar existing home sales actual report came out at 4.53 million, higher than the forecast by 240K and higher than the trigger of 4.49 million by 40K, a good indication for a buy of the currency pair US dollar over the Canadian dollar. The broker spread is decreased. There, I have entered a buy trade of the currency pair US dollar versus the Canadian dollar. Something appears to have happened with the broker chart timing here. The chart time is not up to speed with my computer time. There's no way I can explain this. Anyway, the market is moving just as I hoped it would. There is some minor retrace which is expected. The chart shows what happened. I exited this trade in the 5th minute into the report release for a nice scalp win. The market moved down an additional 12 pips before ranging. Here is the chart. This is the chart for the currency pair US dollar versus the Canadian dollar, showing one winning scalp. The actual report was outside the economist's forecast by a good amount and was good for the U.S. economy. This looked good for my plan, which called for buying the U.S. dollar and selling the Canadian dollar. I started posting this news release on my blog in July 2009. This video was presented by the Fundamental Forex blog and has been presented in an ebook series titled Forex Trade the News, What Are the Odds?, published in the Amazon Kindle store under the title Trade U.S. Existing Home Sales Report Month Over Month. Click the link below this video to check out additional Forex ebooks I have published on Amazon. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.